We're your friendly Tabasco Birds.
Tabasco Birds!
I want to say one thing. We came here to do one thing and one thing only. To play music. Alright, let's get fucked up. But yeah, you can hear everything. All right. This song is about our biggest fan.
Hey, I'm here. What?
Our beloved fan. It's done.
It's done.
It will be out in February, but we are a bunch of broke college students.
Real.
So, if you would like to, if you like the music you're hearing,
I'ma listen to it.
pitching for our vinyls. We have a lot of money to make.
Yeah.
It would be a blessing for us.
Hell yeah.
We love our fans. We want to give you a good night. So, I love you all.
Hey, drink your fucking beer. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, I say it better. Drink the goddamn fucking beer!
It's good.
Hey, you ready?
This next one is a faster one.
a newer one. Y'all probably haven't heard this one before.
I'm doing business back here, so wait a little bit so I can find my cousin.
Thank you guys for coming out. Let's give a round of applause for Coral Johnston and friends. That was magnificent. As we all think, I'm sure, I know I think that.
Yeah! Take that shit!
That shit was fucking awesome as fuck.
We love Coral Johnson.
Okay, this next song is a new one we played only once, and no one here did hear it.
Whoa!
So it's first for y'all.
I'm the number one
This is about killing people that like to dance. So dance well!
Yeah! Yeah!
We gotta dance. We gotta dance. We gotta dance.
next one is a spooky one. It's about to get weird in here.
Hey! Cool. I see someone in the goddamn ground! Give it up for Tequila Mike! Tequila fucking Mike!
The city is a Ferris wheel, just spinning all around. My life is like an architectural medicine. A highway invention created by your brain. All of your own visions and different songs. Visions are the symptom of our world's illusions. Let's turn into place so that we can live. Places in that's why we find chaos is soothing. That's why we find alright, stop your feet. Get it together, y'all. Stop your goddamn feet. We don't need a place to hide away. Worlds away. Back and forth and side to side. Stay on it for the ride. We can love to feel alive. We can loop around. We can loop around. We can loop around. Hey! Okay, y'all. I feel like now's a good time to tell y'all something I always want to tell y'all, just so you have a context of who we are.
Jake, take off your shirt. Yeah.
6 of us
Do it.
have each won a hot dog eating contest.
Yeah, one of us just did recently.
That's our shit, but don't talk to us about it or we've been insecure.
Joey Chestnut type shit.
Hey, wait a second! Who has a beer in their hand? I'm about to open it. Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna say something really cool. Name a word that's really cool.
Beer.
Beer! That's a good one. Okay. 3, 2, 1, beer! Cool. Okay.
That was so sick.
Okay. That was the sickest thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah.
Yes, Joe.
This is a new one. This is a sort of new story. The fire that's come and go. Silver lining floods my mind. I never wanted to be what I have become. Though the drugs are only for numbness. Thank you, guys.
Tabasco Birds are flying!
All right.
I love you!
This next one is about two of our biggest fans.
Which one?
Let's just say the Tabasco Birds endorse. Love you, Elevator. This song is the opposite of that because we don't like these songs.
Talk your shit! Tabasco Birds!
We have 3 more.
Yeah!
I gotta be completely fucking honest. I gotta take my flannel off. I cannot stand the heat. Don't we have goddamn shirts and you want to wear something on your body? Yeah,
We have t-shirts. They might not be as cool as that guy's shirt, but they're almost there. They're almost there.
All right.
We
Well,
try to be friendly.
this is about the pants you.
This one's about pants and
Long John.
long johns and all sorts of fun stuff.
And doing something freaky.
Now you're gonna love this one. Where'd he go? Zoom it in.
This one's for
Read it.
the Tabasco Birds.
Come on, yo, dance.
jeans.
Yeah. Tabasco.
Also, yeah, we have Instagram, we have Spotify, Apple Music, whatever it is. If you want to listen to us, do it. Follow us, please do. If you like what we're doing, come see more, come hear
This
more.
next one, a goddamn new one.
We love that shit.
We have never played this live, ever.
Yeah.
Jake. I need his number. Jake. Raise your hand, Georgie. Live. Oh, that's sad.
Thank you, Aura Coffee. Thank you, Cool John. But most importantly, thank y'all. We love every one of y'all. If y'all want a shirt, come talk to me afterwards.
We like shirts.
Here's the thing. I have one more thing to say. And it's dangerous. It's about to get dangerous. If you have a goddamn drink in your hand, you better fucking drink that shit right now. If you don't drink that shit right now, you're really fucking pissed. I'm not gonna play this song. Drink your goddamn shit right now, fucking down.
This one This one requires audience participation. So if you know how to snap, this song is for you.
We're loving Tabasco Birds!
If you don't know how to snap, it's also for you. Some people will never taught how to snap. Okay, go.
Talk your shit!
This one's got a really good singer. Ready? Better fuck this shit up. Shut up! Snap your shit!
I'm lost in love.
Here we go.
Everyone fucking dance to this goddamn part. I want to see everyone fucking moving right now. Everyone, do whatever the fuck you can.
Oh, feeling that fades away. Alright, y'all.
This is what you guys are allowed to have fun to. Well, I am rusty, and I'm wanting.
Here we go now!
But you're still my partner and my friend. And it's a long way to hell, but a longer way to heaven. So let's roll our dice and pray they never land.
Here we go!
As you can see, life wears you out. And sometimes you can't bear it anymore. But when it's me and my companion, we can chug the bottle and start around. So let's go on to head south of the border. It's a lot of drinking strawberry. We got a long way to go. But we'll still find our way home. The devil's right around the corner.
If you want a shirt, come talk to me right now, right here.